Welcome to the lesson on irregular past verbs. In English, some verbs do not follow the regular pattern of adding ed at the end to form the past tense. In this part, you will learn three important irregular verbs: eat, drink, and write. These verbs will help you talk about actions that happened before. The verb eat means to consume food. Its past form is ate. For example, you can say, I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock to talk about the present. To describe the past, you would say, I ate breakfast at 8 o'clock. The word eat changes its inner vowel sound to create the past tense. Remember, you do not add ed at the end. The verb drink means to consume a liquid. Its past form is drank. For example, in the present you can say, she drinks a glass of water. In the past, it becomes, she drank a glass of water. Notice how the vowel sound changes from long E to a short A. This change shows that the action already happened. The verb write means to create words or sentences on paper or digitally. Its past form is wrote. If you say, I write a letter every week, that describes a regular action. But if you say, I wrote a letter yesterday, that tells us the action is finished. The vowel changes from I to O in the past tense. Let's look at all three verbs together. Eat changes to ate when talking about food. Drink changes to drank when referring to liquids. Write changes to wrote when talking about creating words. Each verb changes the vowel sound to show the past form. These are examples of irregular verbs because they do not use ed at the end. These three verbs follow a common pattern in English. Each one uses a vowel change to express time. Eat uses the vowel a sound in ate. Drink uses a similar change from I to A. Write changes from I to O to make wrote. Learning these vowel shifts will help you recognize other irregular verbs more easily. Let's practice using these verbs in sentences. I eat an apple every day becomes I ate an apple yesterday. I drink coffee in the morning becomes I drank coffee this morning. I write stories in my notebook becomes I wrote a story last night. Listen carefully to the differences and repeat aloud to improve your pronunciation and memory. Here is a quick summary. Eat becomes ate, drink becomes drank, and write becomes wrote. All three verbs change their vowel sounds instead of adding ed. These are irregular past tense verbs. Practice them until they sound natural. Mastering irregular verbs will make your English speech sound more fluent and confident.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.